Let's break down this GE front-load electric dryer. First off, this dryer is packing a solid 7.8 cubic feet capacity, which means it's got plenty of room for your bulky converters or big laundry loads. No more cramming clothes in and hoping for the best. It's also got built-in Wi-Fi so you can keep tabs on your laundry from your phone using the Smart HQ app. Pretty handy if you're the type who forgets to check on the dryer. One of the standout features is the high-efficiency sensor dry, which helps prevent over-drying by monitoring moisture levels. This means your clothes come out just right, no crispy socks or damp jeans. Plus, the sanitize cycle is a nice touch for when you want to zap away bacteria and keep things fresh. Users seem to love how quiet this thing runs, and the controls are super user-friendly. It's got a sleek look, and the reversible door makes it flexible for different laundry room setups. The wrinkle care feature is a lifesaver if you can't grab your clothes right away after the cycle ends. On the flip side, some users have mentioned that the lint trap design could be better, and a few have had issues with drying times being longer than expected. But overall, it's getting solid reviews for performance, ease of use, and capacity. So if you're looking for a dryer that's efficient, smart, and spacious, this is definitely worth considering. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.